Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Bhasha Second Innings. Today I think I have to share something about our health, those who are working in heat treatment department. So I have worked in the heat treatment department for more than 40 years, from the supervisor to the production head. So this is very important for all those who are working in the heat treatment area. Till that time I was on duty and I was doing my regular work. I was not having any problem with my health. The moment I retired in 2016, I used to have some coughing and cold, and with some normal medicine earlier it used to be okay. Then after some time the coughing was continuous and I am unable to stop that coughing. So I went to a specialist, lung specialist. He asked me a question, are you a chain smoker? I told him, no sir, I am not a chain smoker. I have never ever smoked even a single cigarette during my lifetime. Then he told that, okay, he told me to carry out certain tests and also the X-ray. That test including that of tuberculosis. The tuberculosis came negative, but my chest X-ray with that lungs showing some haziness in that. He told that, see gentlemen, you are a chain smoker and you are smoking regularly for last so many years. That is why this has happened. Then I explained him that, sir, it is not like that. I have worked in a engineering industry for more than 40 years and I have worked in atmosphere where some gases are there, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and also smoke and oil smoke is there, which even if I want I cannot prevent, because as a supervisor you have to be on the shop floor, as a manager you have to be on the shop floor, and so you have to inhale those gases. Then he immediately understood. He told that he was in army and he had seen such people like me, and immediately he told me, okay, then you do one thing, you take a course of about 10 days, you have to come here and you have to take that inhalation of some chemical, exactly I do not know. Then I took it for about 10 days. Afterwards the chest X-ray or that lungs were clear. So this why I am sharing with you is that during the first this thing, I have lost one of my, during the first COVID wave, I have lost one of my ex-colleague due to COVID. And secondly, presently I am a member of that heat treatment discussions in one of the Facebook group in which so many people across India are the members. And in the last week or so, it was shocking to see that a metallurgist who is, I think, running a heat treatment shop, and the age may be around 40 to 50, he again succumbed to the COVID-19, the second attack. So in this, what I want to say is that those who are working in heat treatment from all the levels, that is from casual labor to the manager level, they should get their lungs checked properly by the medical professionals, the X-ray or whatever that tests free from any other congestion like smoke or this thing, fumes. Also during your normal work, please wear your mask and all. So once you get through this medical and then your lungs are clear, then definitely there will be, I think, the chances of your lung inspection again due to this infection, lung infection, again due to the COVID, may be delayed, or in the meantime you will have that time to have their vaccination done. So I have done my 2 vaccination, first and second vaccination also, and also I am wearing the mask. I am going out very rarely now, 5 years since my retirement. Up to 2019 I was working. 2019 and I was in USA. Then I was there for about 10 months. Then I came here. and I used to take a lot of immunity Ayurvedic medicines. One of the thing is that boiling of turmeric powder, ajwain, and ginger. All this raw, we have to boil. We have to take 1 spoon or 2 spoon like that, depend upon your number of people who are to drink this. And I used to take that 1 glass of water and then 1 spoon of ginger and ginger and 1 spoon of ajwain and 1 spoon of turmeric powder, and then boil it to 50% and drink before going to sleep. Because during first wave we were in USA and we used to get very limited this thing, and that all the three ingredients what I told were available in the house for our regular meals and all, so that I should take. Finally, it is a request from me or the information from me to you all, those who are working in heat treatment or the smoky area in industries. Please get your lungs checked whether you have COVID or not, whether you have corona or not, and prevent yourself from getting affected. Thank you very much for listening video, and if you like this video, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Good night.